Okay, ready now?
Ready? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Like as soon as it doesn't get windy. Is it frozen?
No, it's almost too windy.
I don't know how that flurry. I don't know how that flurry. I don't know how that flurry's going. It would try again.
Yeah.
Okay, ready, Noah? Oh.
So I don't think we should try out for the Kite Olympics anytime soon. Noah, wind the string up because you need to get it a bit tighter to start it. Oh, that's cold. Ay. No, what are you doing? If it's not in the sky, you don't let it out more. Do it tight. Yeah, wind it up. Keep winding. Keep winding. Hey, Chihuahua. So cold. So cold. So windy. So cold. Okay, keep winding it up, okay? Tight, tight, tight. Okay, we have one last try at this, then we gotta go. I'm frozen. Just keep going tight, 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 tight. Tight, tight, tight.
Are you ready? It's not working.
No. Keep going tight. Go that way. Keep winding it tight, please. Okay? Really tight, like almost all the way, okay? Then when it's in the air, then you let it go, okay? The string seems to be wrapped around the tail, I feel. It looks like it's wrapped around the tail. No? Yeah?
I think it's just the ripped part that's the reason why it's not working.
Well, if you look, maybe the string is wrapped around the tail, so that's going to make it so it's not going to fly proper, right? I think you got to unattach it and reattach it again. Sophie, you told me you're a professional kite flyer. What is this? What is this? Or you at least told me you're a Top Gun.
I am a Top Gun. I was in the original movie.
Oh. Noah's completely lost interest since there's a ferry docking now, so. Okay.
One more try.
Here, why don't I try holding it? You try Noah's angle, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Damn. I say we call it quits those. Yeah?
Kinda didn't wind up.
What? What did Noah do? Oh my god. Alright, well, kite experiment's over.
That was a fail.
Go get a hot chocolate.
Yep. I didn't know there's 3 fairy shots.
Is there 3 fairies? That's exciting. Okay, well, let's get the kite away and go get a hot chocolate because I'm frozen.
Yeah.
Okay?